everyone, and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today I will unbox and do quick review for Xiaomi Humidifier 2 Lite, which is very useful device in case you are under the air-conditioned room, because as you know, and the air conditioner is drying the room and drying the air. So the humidifier is very important to have to keep air humidity in the level of for the people, human being, having the comfort level zone, which is from 40% to 50. And there are some people that have issues with breathing or with the other cases. So that's why humidifier is very useful device. I choose this one because Xiaomi is very well known about making this type of devices in high quality. And this is 4 liters tank for the water, and it covers 25 square meters room, which is perfect for my bedroom. Actually, my air conditioner is not in the main bedroom. It's in the guest room. But I keep open the door and it makes perfect for sleeping. So let's move forward. What it says 4 liters, it says antibacterial filter, convenient water adding, electric knob. So this side is the detailed about all these functions. This side has the same, and this is a European version. It's bought from local vendor, so that's why it has Russian writing here, and it should come with the Euro plug. If you buy from China, you will get mostly Chinese plug, which is similar to US plugs. And let's see what we have inside. So we have paperwork, warranty notice, just a regular, and is this a manual? Yeah, this is a user's manual. So this is how you open and add water here. Let's leave it there. Coming this part, okay. Moving out device itself, yeah, nothing there. So as I told you, so let's move it out. Okay, as I told you, it has a Euro plug, okay, which is covered with this protector. Euro plug is good. This is the upper part, it's rotatable. Let's remove this plastic so we can rotate this one. Okay, so this is rotatable because if you want the humid air come from here or in the same flow. So let's make the camera like this. So from the same side, or you prefer like one here, one flow, other flow is there. So there is a Xiaomi writing in it. So this is a real Xiaomi device. This is not Mijia or any sub brand. So this is the water tank. It fills up 4 liters water. Very easy to remove and fill. Here we have the measuring the cover for the how many liters are inside, and these are the places where it starts putting the, when you put it on the device, water is coming from here to the main device, which is the humidifying process is going on. So let's leave it here. What else here? So this is again sticker. And this is the main device itself, not very heavy. The total weight, which says 1 kilo, and this part is for the water filling up and water outlet, and this is the main turn on and control the flow. You drive it and it starts controlling the flow by using this. So this is it, guys. Let's put it back. So okay, it looks like this in the way you can see. Let me move it, zoom it out. So this is the device itself, and I will show you how it works after testing with some water, and you will see by the end of the video how the device in the action. So here I have filled up the tank fully. Let me open the cover. You can see there is a limit. After, if you put the more water, it will flow down, which is not good idea. And in front you can see the red bar showing that we filled up 4 liters. So let's turn it first time. So as you can see, there is no much noise. And we control the flow by the knob here. This is on maximum. And you can see how the humidity flows over from the both sides. And this regulator is if you want to change the direction, as I told you before. So I leave it like this. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more electronics video and gadgets. See you in the next one.